Alright, so I'm gonna go take my clothes to Crossroads to see if we can get some money out of them. It's always very hit or miss, especially depending on the season, so we'll see. I have 2 bags of stuff, and yeah, let's see what they take. Okay, that took way more of my day than I wanted it to. I ended up having to wait over an hour for them to take my clothes, and they only took like 3 things, but I got $20. I would have got $32 if I would have done in-store credit, but I almost always just take cash. But yeah, that's the way it goes. Sometimes they take stuff, sometimes they don't. Last time I got $80, this time I got $20. Who would have thought you'd see me in my closet so soon again? If you watched my last video, which you should have, I cleaned out my closet in a way of just getting rid of my clothes. And then in that video, I did say I was gonna come back and organize everything, which I didn't lie. Here we are, we're about to do it. As you can see, there is a ton going on in here. And since we do have the built-in shelves, we are a little bit limited with what we can do with it. But my goal is to make it look even a little bit better than it does now, and I'm a happy camper. I would love to just be able to open up the space a little bit, because right now it's pretty crowded. Luckily this time, I have someone to help me. What first?
I don't know, this is your video.
No! I literally don't even know.
Alright, don't worry, since I'm the organized one here, I know exactly what we're gonna do. Hold this, ma'am. Wallets. Boxes. Hello, everybody. What I'm doing now is putting all these wallet boxes and stuff up here. And we're gonna stash this bad boy up here as well. Wow, fits like a glove. Let's take this bag out. And let's take these shoes out. Just gonna put these on the side.
You can fit that in the cubby, don't you think?
Alright, all the shoes are packed in this corner.
Woo!
Yours that you
My
normally
3
get
boxes
to.
and your 12 boxes. Okay, well, he does stuff in there. I'm gonna refold all of his clothes that were in that little cubby, and then I'm gonna put them back and make them look all nice. Some of them are already kind of folded, so we'll just zhuzh them, I guess. I also think I want to put them, is it okay if I put them in color order?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so we have neutrals. And colors.
I'm back. We're gonna rearrange this ever so slightly. All we did was lower that. This, very difficult. Not sure what to do with it.
just saying, yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better.
Okay, so for the bags and purses right now, we want to get those little like S hooks so that we can just hang them on here, but we don't have those right now. So for now, for aesthetic purposes, we just took this bar off and then slid them through and then put it back on. So I can't like just easily take them off unless I take the bar off. But once we get the S hooks, we'll probably just hang them back up here like that. Unless you can think of another purse hack that I could do in this space, let me know, because purses are hard. I'm gonna quickly reorganize these by color.
Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
Would we categorize these as white or blue? I'm gonna go with white.
Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second. Just
So we have these boxes down here. I kind of want to see if this big one will fit up there. I don't know if it's going to be too big, but if it does fit up there, then I think I want to move this possibly under there. I also don't know if that'll fit, but I'm pretty sure it will. Okay, let's see if I can get this up there. I don't know why we even need to keep this. It's so dusty. Oh yeah. Okay, now let's see if this bin will fit back there. It fits, but I can't really open it all the way. Well, I guess I don't really need to open it all the way. I can't tell if I hate that or not, because then I can't really... I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I also don't love how he reorganized my little nail cubby, so I'm probably gonna redo that.
got love guaranteed, and I had to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Okay, we're gonna see if this is gonna work. Putting them in, what is that called? Like stationary style. I'm a little nervous because I kind of almost feel like it's not gonna work, but let's see. That works. See, there's not enough of them to really stay standing right. The back ones just kind of fall. I feel like I shouldn't have folded the tank tops so skinny, but I thought they were gonna be too wide. So I feel like I should refold the tank tops so that they're wider. Get out. That's better, because then it kind of smushes them a little bit. Not bad, not bad.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
I know. Okay, here we are in the finished product. It might look kind of the same, but I promise you it's not. There's way more room in here than there was before. Let me give you a little tour. Okay, so when you walk in, you automatically can see that there's actual room on the floor, opposed to where there wasn't before. And then going over here, honestly I don't love this situation, but it'll do for now. At least it's freed up all of this space. Now that this wall's free, we're thinking about putting a long length mirror here possibly. I think that would look nice. And then going up, those are all nice and folded. These are color coordinated by style. All the boxes are in one place. Pants are color coordinated. These are color coordinated also by style, so they don't really look like it, but I promise they are. And then all of these look much nicer now. Those match up there. My laundry's hidden back there where it should be hidden. This is the top of our dresser. Nothing crazy, but just simple. And then, let me show you. Wow! Wow, so nice! So that is the finished product. If you're somebody who is very minimalist, this might look crazy to you. We obviously are not minimalists, so this is the most realistic outcome that we could come up with. But like I said in the beginning, I just wanted it to look even a little bit better than it did before, which I think I accomplished, so. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, all the things you know. I'll see you next time. Bye!